Welcome to the Welfare Community Cardiac Hospital. The hospital is in Pokhara, one of the best city in Nepal and very attractive city or natural city in Pokhara. Now we are seeing the hospital buildings. You are near to the reception and you are entering to the reception in the building one, and there are few staff working over there. Yeah, this is OPD waiting room, and now we will move to the different department in OPD room. This is the doctor's room. Presently, there are 7-8 department. Now we are USG and video X-ray room, and you can see some of the machine over there. This video X-ray machine, I think they're lying over there. Yeah, now we're moving in the building one, special cabins, and these are the beds in special cabin, and there are not less than 20 different beds in special cabin in different room, not only in one room. There are 4 or 5 rooms in special cabin, and this is the nursing station in special cabin area. Yeah, we are inside the staff meeting room in administrative building. Now we are moving towards this MD's room, managing director's room. We are inside the MD's room in building 1. Now we are moving towards the general dental department, and this is the only one machine in the dental department presently. Now we are on top of the building 1. We can see the surrounding from the top of the building 1, and this is the surrounding and some of the hills over there and mountains. But unfortunately today is a foggy day. You can see the clouds. From the building 1, and now we can see the emergency as well as the part of the garden, and this is inside the emergency room. This is the nursing station or reception, we call it, in emergency department, and we can see some of the beds and some of the equipments inside the emergency room. And as in the whole building we have the piping gas supply system. There are 2 pipes, oxygen, and another maybe the vacuum for the vacuum purpose. Or this is the oxygen supply station. This is in building 2 near the lift. Yeah, we are inside the pathological lab, and there are some of the equipment over there in the pathological lab. It is in building 2 in the ground floor, and you can see some of the equipment what we have presently or available presently. Here we are entering into the X-ray room, and there are two machines in X-ray room, and we can see the X-ray machine. This is in building 2 and in the ground floor. And this is a filtering machine for the swimming pool outside. These are the beds for post-operation bed in the building B near the OT. Yeah, this is gynecological department, and this is the delivery or gynecological and the child care, and there is X-ray machine as well in child care or child gynecological department. And some of the beds, this is the delivery bed, I think, and these are the preparation or after delivery. These are the beds in gynecological. We are entering into the operation theater room. These are some of the equipments in operation theater, and this is operation theater, and there are two beds in operation theater, and these are the accessories for the operation and the tools and equipment whatever requires in the operation theater. This is in the B building and second floor. Inside, we are inside the general ward, and these are the beds, and this is the nursing station and the general wards in building B near to the operation theater. Thank you for watching this our brief information about the Welfare Community Cardiac Hospital. Thanking you.